Okay, here we have to convert one number that is decimal into octal. So if we have to convert decimal number to the octal, then we divide this integer part with 8. One time, 0 time, we get remainder as 6. One time, we get remainder as 2. Because this one is integer value, that's why we will write the answer downward to upward approach. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is 126 with base 8. Okay, now the remaining fractional part is 0.45. If we want to convert this fractional part to the octal, then we will multiply it with 8. So when we multiplied 0.45 with 8, then we will get 3.60. So here integer value is 3. So we extract this integer 3. Now after extracting we will get 0.60. Then again we multiplied it with 8. Then what we will get? We will get 4.80. So we extract integer 4 value. Now what is the remainder after extraction? 0.80. Again multiplied it with 8. What we will get? We will get 6.40. Extracting integer part again 6. What is remaining? 0.40 multiplied with 8. Then what we will get? We will get 3.20. We can extract 3. What is remainder? 0.20. After multiplication, what we will get? Okay, so again we can extract 1 here. Okay, this process can be continued. This process can be continued until we get 0. Okay, so what we will get? 3 4 6 3 1. In the fractional part we already discussed that in the fractional part we write the answer upward to downward direction. So when we convert 0.45 into octal, then what we will get? 0.34631 and so on. Okay, so our final answer is the conversion of 86.45. The conversion of 86.45, we will get 126.3463 and so on. Okay, thank you so much.